Sa Good Vibes, tourism management student ang ginkoronahan bilang Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023. Yaring report ni Nico Delfin.
Jutayan lang nga wala malawagan ang BS Tourism Management student nga si Yvonne Katamco sa top 5 finalist sang Miss Bacolod Masskara Grand Coronation Night sa USLS Coliseum kagabi.
Kami po ang nakasulat sa papel. Ayaw ko kasi Steve Harvey moment eh.
Papel, last time mo na papel.
Okay, so, you are part of our top 5 candidate number 15. Once again, we are so sorry about that.
Gani isang ma-clarify sa mga host nga sanday Marco Gumabaw kag model kag content creator nga si Janina Chan ang results, wala naging palampuas pa ni Yvonne ang oportunidad para makuha ang korona.
Bacolod Masskara 2023 is candidate number candidate number 15.
Actually, it was fine with me because I pray to God. If it is really for me, then it will always find its way to me. But you know, when Charlene was called, I was a bit sad. But when the host started to correct the announcement, my emotion is overflowing and I really cried because of that joy that I'm feeling here on stage.
Ikaduha na ini nga higayon nga nagpasakop sa kompetisyon si Yvonne nga mumanang napili bilang Best in Swimwear kag iban pa nga mga corporate awards. Sa top 5 nga final Q&A round ginpabilib ni Yvonne ang mga judges.
Wants to embody this super city.
Bacolod is known as a super city. And what makes our city a super city is our spirit. The spirit of each and every Bacolodnon. The spirit of resiliency and optimism that gives us the catalyst or serves as catalyst for us to thrive higher, to stand up wiser and bolder each time we fall. And also the same spirit that gives us the power to see the positive part of everything, especially the struggles that we encountered as a city. And if we could learn to share it, to radiate the spirit that resides in us, we can inspire and empower the world around us, and we can all become the super people. Thank you.
Si Yvonne ang nagbaton man sang 150,000 pesos nga cash prize. First runner-up naman ang virtual assistant nga si Tracy May Sunyo nga nagbaton sang 100,000 pesos. Si Ellie Rose Ilola naman ang naging second runner-up nga napili bilang Best in Evening Gown kag Darling of Social Media. Kabahay naman sa mga finalist ang 19-year-old business administration student nga si Jada Biaxel Celeste nga nagkuha sang Best in Festival Costume Designer kag Corporate Awards. Amuman si Marianel Tan nga naging Best in Talent, Best in Festival Costume kag Evening Gown Designer kag iban pa nga mga corporate awards. Miss Congeniality si Kayla Jane Delarma kag Miss Photogenic si Aliona Nihar. Kabahin sa star-studded judges ang pageant competition si Senador Rafi Tulfo, binibining Pilipinas Universe 2009 kag aktres nga si Bianca Manalo. Mega Worlds nga si Harold Geronimo, Lovelyn Segovia, Ricky Isla, Jonathan Lockbom, Avel Bacudio, Karen Pascual kag DILG Undersecretary Marge Gutierrez. Nagtambong man sa Coronation Night ang pamilya ni Mayor Albi Benitez. Upod si Victoria City Mayor Javi Benitez kag aktres nga si Sue Ramirez kag mga city officials. Nico Delfin para sa DG Cast Negros.